Imagine a time before fire, before shelter, when our ancestors looked to the sky, not with wonder, but with terror 3 million years ago. The greatest danger didn't lurk in the shadows on the grounded sword silently above. Massive birds, with wingspans nearly 15 feet across, hunted from the clouds. These weren't just birds. They were descendants of dinosaurs, and early humans were on their menu. The proof lies buried in ancient caves. In 1924, the skull of a young pre-human child was found with mysterious puncture wounds. Forensic analysis revealed a chilling conclusion. The marks perfectly matched the talons of a giant prehistoric eagle. These apex predators were built for death, with talons the size of human hands and the striking force of a sledgehammer. For our ancestors, every moment in the open was a gamble against a swift, silent death from above. Our primal fear of open skies, it's a ghost of our past, a survival instinct hardwired into our DNA. To understand these aerial predators, we must understand their world. 3 million years ago, Africa was a patchwork of open grasslands and dense forests. These giant eagles didn't just hunt humans, they preyed on anything from young antelopes to monkeys. But our ancestors were a prime target. Unlike swift antelopes, they were slow. Unlike aggressive baboons, they had few defenses. The eagle's empire didn't last. As Africa's climate became drier, the forests they relied on for ambushes began to shrink. But another force was rising. Our ancestors were getting smarter, creating weapons, and mastering fire. The hunters were becoming the hunted. The giant eagles are gone, but their legacy lives on. Every culture has myths of massive human hunting birds, from the thunderbird to the ROC. Are these just fantasies, or are they echoes of a time when monsters truly ruled the skies? We look up and see symbols of freedom, but our ancestors saw shadows of death.